Greetings and wishes. Today let us discuss about the condition for parallel line, parallel lines, and the second condition for perpendicular lines. If two lines are said to be parallel, then the condition must be, suppose this gradient of line 1 must be equal to gradient of line 2. If there are two lines are said to be perpendicular, then the condition is the product of line 1 gradient and the product of line 2 gradient must be equal to -1, or in other ways one must be negative inverse of others. For example, m1 equals minus of 1 by 2 m2. So these are the two conditions where we can test the line gradients to parallel or perpendicular. Let us discuss one example. So in the example, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to 4x minus y minus 9 equals 0 and passes through the point 3, 5. Write the equation of the line in form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, c are integers. Solution. So we need to find the line equation which is parallel to the another line, that is 4x minus y minus 9. So we need to find the perpendicular line, sorry, not the parallel, perpendicular line. If the two lines are said to be perpendicular, then the condition is the product of m1 and m2 must equal to -1. So from the line equation, what is given? 4x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. From this line equation, this is assume this is a line 1. From this line equation, we need to find m1. So what is the line equation? Y equal to mx plus c. So here y equals, suppose minus y equals minus 4x plus 9 from this line 1. Therefore y equals 4x minus 9. So from this we found m1 equals 4. So we need m2. We need to find m2. So already we know the condition m1 m2 equals -1, which implies that m2 equals -1 by m1, which implies m2 equals -1 by 4. Already we know that x1 comma y1 equals 3 5. We need to find the line which is perpendicular to the perpendicular to this line 4x minus y and passes through the 3 5. So this 3 5 is the point where the second line passes through. So if we have this one from the point, we know that the line equation y equals y1 equals m product of x minus x1. This is derived from the same thing what we have, m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So from here we have derived this equation. Substituting the value of 3 5 in this equation, we get y minus 5 equals m2. This is for m2. We are going to find the line equation of m2. This is m2. What is m2? Minus 1 by 4 times of x minus 3 minus 4 times of y minus 5 equals x minus 3, and keep solving for y. So 4 times of y and 5 fours are 20 equals x minus 3. So then we need to rearrange this one. We need to get the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. By rearranging this one to get the form of ax, that is x plus 4y minus 23 equals 0. So hence we have arrived the second line equation. See you, bye bye. Have a great day.